In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the ribbon, file tab bar and command line in AutoCAD. Whether you're new to AutoCAD or you've simply lost your way, this quick guide will help you get everything back in place so you can continue designing without a hitch. First, let's talk about bringing back the command line, as it's an essential tool for inputting commands and can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. To restore it, simply press Ctrl+9 on your keyboard. This key combination acts like a toggle, turning the command line on or off. If you can't see it, try pressing this combination, and it should reappear at the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace. The command line is crucial for executing text-based commands quickly, so having it visible saves time and effort. Next up, let's move on to restoring the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar that sits at the top of your screen, housing a variety of tools and options for your projects. Without it, accessing features can become a bit more challenging, so getting it back is quite important. To do this, once your command line is active, type the word ribbon into it and then press Enter. You'll notice that the ribbon instantly reappears, fully stocked with all its buttons and menus. This feature is integral for navigating through different tools and options, so you'll definitely want it visible as you work. Finally, to bring back the File tab bar, let's make use of the command line once again. The File tab bar is a convenient feature that allows you to switch between different open drawings quickly, similar to having tabs in a web browser. To restore it, simply type FILETAB directly into your command line and press Enter. With that, you will see the tab bar reappear at the top of your drawing space, displaying each of the files you currently have open. This feature is incredibly beneficial for multitasking and managing various drawings efficiently. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully restored the three main elements that you need for a smooth AutoCAD experience: the command line, the ribbon, and the File tab bar. Ensuring these components are easily accessible will certainly make your design process more streamlined and productive. If you ever find that elements have gone missing again, just revisit this guide or keep these commands handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!